Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing excellent. Children, in the previous class, teacher has taught you few letters. What are those letters, children? Small letter I, small letter L, small letter T, small letter C, small letter O, and small letter A. Today, we will learn how to write small letter D. Teacher will teach you how to write small letter D. Children, before we write in our notebooks, we will do orals from the textbook. Children, this is your English textbook. I want every one of you all to open page number 1515. Page number 1515. Children, can you all tell me which letter is this? This is small letter A. Repeat after teacher, children. Small letter A. How teacher taught you all to write small letter A? Small left curve line, go upward, and a small standing line is small letter A. Repeat, children. Small left curve line, go upward, small standing line is small letter A. Children, the sound of A is A. The sound of A is A. A says A. Children, now we will read all the A sound words. A for almonds. Repeat, children. A for almonds. A for ant. Repeat loudly, children. A for ant. A for ankle. Repeat, children. A for ankle. A for arrow. A for arrow. A for arrow mark. Repeat after teacher, children. A for arrow mark. A for abacus. Repeat, children. A for abacus. A for aquarium. Repeat after teacher, children. A for aquarium. Now we finished reading all the A sound words. Now, as teacher said earlier, we are going to learn a new letter. Which letter is this, children? So, this is small letter D. Which letter is this, children? This is small letter D. Small left curve line, go upward, and a big standing line is small letter D. Repeat again after teacher, children. Small left curve line, go upward, and the big standing line is small letter D. Children, the sound of D is D. Repeat, children. The sound of D is D. D says D. Now we will read all the D sound words. Okay, children? Repeat after teacher, children. D for drum. Repeat loudly, children. D for drum. D for dice. D for dice. D for duck. D for duck. Repeat after teacher, children. D for door. D for door. D for deer. D for deer. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. Children, I want every one of you all to do orals from the textbook daily at home. Okay, children? Now we will learn how to write small letter D in your notebooks. Children, this is your English notebook. Now we will write small letter D in the notebook. Observe carefully, children. How many lines are here, children? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So first line is in red color. The second line is in blue color. The third line is in blue color. The fourth line is in red color. Can you all see the dots here? How many dots are here? 1, 2, 3. Today teacher will teach you how to write small letter D with the help of these dots and strokes. Look here, children. Before we write, I want every one of you all to hold your pencil tightly and press the pencil and write neatly, children. Now start from the second dot, children. First, second. Look here, children. Look here, observe carefully. First dot, second dot. Start from the second dot. Small left curve line. Go upward. Touch the first dot. Go upward. And on the same standing line, you should write big standing line. Small letter D. D for drum. Repeat, children. See, once again I'll explain, children. Start from the second dot, children. Small left curve line. Go upward from the below dot. Touch the above, the first dot. Go upward and a big standing line is small letter D. D for duck. Repeat, children. Small left curve line. Go upward, touch the first dot and a big standing line is small letter D. D for dice. Small left curve line. Go upward, touch the first dot and a big standing line is small letter D. D for dolphin. Small left curve line. Go upward, touch the first dot and a big standing line is small letter D. D for dog. Small left curve line. Go upward, touch the first dot and a big standing line is small letter D. Say and write, children. Small left curve line. Go upward, touch the first dot and a big standing line is small letter D. Small left curve line. Go upward, touch the first dot, big standing line is small letter D. Children, now we finished writing in the notebook. I want every one of you all to practice small letter D in your notebooks. Children, which letter we learned today? Small letter D. Repeat once again, children. Small left curve line. Go upward, touch the first dot, big standing line is small letter D. Okay, children, practice neatly, and if you practice neatly, teacher will give you a star. So you want a star, children? Yes. So if you want a star, I want every one of you all to say and write neatly. Okay, children. Bye. Take care. Have a good day.